Women's innovations that impacted the world. While need might be the essential inspiration for creators, ladies have been liable for various incredible innovations over the entire course of time. Notwithstanding confronting difficulties in acquiring licenses and acknowledgement, they have made probably the most helpful things we appreciate today. From the modest paper bags to diapers and folding beds, here are the absolute most astounding creations by women. Paper bags. In 1868, Margaret Knight, a cotton factory worker, changed the paper bag industry in America by inventing a machine to make level-lined packs. Preceding her development, paper bags had a more envelope-like appearance. Tragically, a man named Charles Annan attempted to guarantee her creation as his own and petitioned for a patent. However, Knight endured and documented a claim, eventually winning the patent for her plan in 1871. Foot-pedal trash can. Lillian Gilbreth worked on existing innovations with little, however shrewd, changes. In the mid-1900s she planned the racks inside fridge entryways, made the can opener more straightforward to utilize, and cleaned up cleaning with the foot-pedal garbage bin. Gilbreth is generally renowned for her spearheading work in productivity the executives and ergonomics with her husband, Frank. Two of their 12 children, Frank J. and Ernestine Gilbreth, entertainingly expounded on their home work coordinated efforts in the book Cheaper by Dozen. Windshield wipers. Drivers were skeptical when Mary Anderson invented the first manual windshield wipers in 1903. They thought it was safer to drive with rain and snow obscuring the road than to pull a lever to clear it. Another woman inventor, Charlotte Bridgewood, invented an automatic version with an electric roller in 1917. It didn't take off, either. But by the time Anderson's patent expired, in 1920, windshield wipers were cleaning up. Cadillac was the first to include them in every car model, and other companies soon followed. Disposable diapers. Marion Donovan didn't take all the mess out of diaper changing when she patented the waterproof boater in 1951. But she changed parenting, and well, babies, forever. The waterproof diaper cover, originally made with a shower curtain, was first sold at Saks Fifth Avenue. Donovan sold the patent to the Keiko Corporation for $1 million and then created an entirely disposable model a few years later, although she never found a manufacturer to produce her design. Pampers was born in 1961, and her initial creation is credited as the precursor to disposable diapers. Dishwashers. In 1886, Josephine Cochrane revolutionized kitchen cleaning with her invention of the first-ever dishwasher. Her design included high water pressure, a wheel, a boiler, and a wire rack that is still utilized for dish drying in modern-day dishwashers. Interestingly, Cochrane never used her own creation, but it certainly improved the lives of her servants. Folding cabinet beds. Sarah E. Good's folding cabinet beds didn't just maximize space in small homes. In 1885, it made her one of the first black women with a U.S. patent, after Martha Jones, who received one in 1868 for her Cornhusker design. Good's fully functional desk could be used by day and then folded down for a good night's sleep. The Murphy bed came along some 15 years later. Video home security systems. In 1966, Mary Van Britten Brown and her husband Albert Brown invented the first integrated video home security system. This remarkable system included a sliding camera, two-way microphones, TV monitors, and 4 peepholes. It also featured an emergency button to alert the police during crisis situations and a remote to unlock doors. Even with the technological advancements in modern security systems, the Brown's invention remains a noteworthy achievement in home security.